Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. And guys, in this video once again, we are going to see the further step in this series, which is preparation for exam AZ900 Azure Fundamental. So in this video today, I'm going to discuss about very important thing like how to use the PowerShell. Okay, what is the functionality of PowerShell CLI and use of the Azure portal and use of CLI interactive mode and use of BASH CLI. Okay, it is very important because two question definitely will be coming from this topic. So the very first one is like task one only, use the CLI power. Okay, PowerShell CLI, use the PowerShell CLI. So once the sandbox launches or once you are logged into your virtual machine, if you have created any virtual machine, guys, my subscription has expired, so that is why I'm not able to show you anything practically. So I'm just telling you, like, once you launch PowerShell CLI, okay, or in sandbox also, so screen will be in PowerShell command if you are using sandbox, but you can open it separately in Azure virtual machine. Okay, PowerShell CLI. So if you are familiar with the PowerShell, you can manage your Azure environment using PowerShell commands. So let's see what it is actually. So you can see this is the interface of PowerShell CLI. So you can see here on top, let me take highlighter. It is telling you Azure PowerShell, okay, or Azure Cloud Shell. It is telling you Azure Cloud Shell, this one. And the best identification whether it is CLI or what it is actually, you can see here, this one, it says PS means it is a PowerShell. Okay, PowerShell CLI. So you should be very familiar with this one. And you can see if you want to connect any virtual machine, so you can see like here you have to give connected to a remote Azure VM. You need to give enter, and this is at VM name kind of thing. Okay, the information which is required to connect. And little further in this, let me move. So guys, tips here, this is the tip. Okay, you can tell you are in PowerShell mode by the PS before your directory on the command line. PS, okay, this PS tells you you are in PowerShell command line. Okay, and let me move little further. So I hope it is very sufficient to understand. Even you can see here, this is PowerShell 7.2.4. okay, it is showing version, and this is the identification parameter. Next one, use the PowerShell get date command to get the current date and time. So if you are inside the PowerShell, you can run this command get date. Apart from this, most Azure specific commands will start with the letter AZ. Okay, AZ means, let me go back and show you this, enter -AZ VM. That is all about I'm talking. And the get command you just ran is a PowerShell specific command. Okay, so this is a specific command. You can make a note. The get date command you just ran is a PowerShell specific command. Let's try an Azure command to check what version of the CLI you are using right now. So for that, again, you have to give AZ and version. I told you you have to give the get, I mean, I told you like you need to give AZ. Okay, here only, somewhere I told you just now, this one, most Azure specific commands will start with the letter AZ. So AZ version we have to give here. Okay, and this is all about, you can run and you can see the date and time as well as version with the help of this command. Now we'll see the next one, which is use the BASH CLI. So guys, if you are more familiar with BASH, you can use BASH command instead by shifting to the BASH CLI. Okay, and enter WAS to switch to WAS CLI. So guys, if you log into virtual machine or this thing, your Azure portal, here somewhere here you will get as of now I don't have subscription, so I'm not able to tell you. So here you get like this PowerShell and CLI to open option somewhere, and enter the WAS to switch to WAS CLI, and let's see. Now it is telling you again, it will tell you like this: Azure Cloud Shell. Okay, in PS you have to give here bash mode. You can see BASH, then it will move to this mode, bash CLI. And tips: you can tell you are in bash mode by the username displayed on the command line, and it will be your username at Azure. So you can see here this @ sign and Azure. So it is telling you you are using bash CLI mode. Okay, you are not using PowerShell mode or PowerShell CLI. And again, use the get date command to get the current date and time. So you have to give get hyphen date, and you received an error because get date is a PowerShell specific command. So you will get error like this. You can see was get hyphen date cannot found. Okay, this is the error you are getting because you are in a bash CLI mode, and this command is a PowerShell specific command. So use the date command to get the current date and time. So you have to give date only. So this is the command you can run in bash mode here. Okay, this date only, and you will get the output. So just like in the PowerShell mode of the CLI, you can use the letter AZ to start an Azure command in the bash mode. So again here you can give like AZ upgrade if you want to upgrade. Try to run an update to the CLI with AZ upgrade. You can change back to PowerShell mode by entering PWSH on the bash command line. Okay guys, so it is very easy. If you are using, I mean if you are a Linux user, then it is very easy. And yes, even if you are a Windows guy, then it will be easy. You just need to pay little extra attention. Okay, and let's see the next one. We'll see the next one. So guys, use Azure CLI interactive mode. Okay, so another way to interact is using the Azure CLI interactive mode. This changes CLI behavior to more closely resemble an integrated development environment, that is also known as IDE. Okay, integrated development environment. And let's see about it little more. So interactive mode provides auto completion, command descriptions, and even examples. If you are unfamiliar with bash and PowerShell but want to use the commands line or command lines, interactive mode may help you. Enter AZ interactive to enter interactive mode. Okay, so this is the command. You are in Azure CLI mode, give AZ interactive, it will change it to interactive mode. What is the description here? See, if you give half command, it will complete automatically. That is called auto completion or command descriptions. Okay, so let me tell you a little more about. Decide whether you wish to send telemetry data and enter yes or no. You may have to wait a minute or to allow the interactive mode to fully initialize. Then enter the letter A, and auto completion should start to work. If auto completion isn't working, erase what you have entered, wait a bit longer and try again. So you can see here what and all is available. You can see you gave a command az interactive. Okay, so it is taking you to this command is in preview and under development, reference and support levels to this they have given, and now you gave az here. Okay, So it is telling you what and all is available with this. AZ account, AZ arg, ACS, ad advisor, AFD, AI hyphen examples are AKS, okay, AMS, APIN, and AZ resource list. Okay, like this, it will complete whatever is the correct. You can select from there, so you do not need to type complete command. And this is helpful with the help of interactive mode. Okay, and let me move little further. So guys, once initialized, you can use the arrow keys or tab to help complete your commands. And interactive mode is set up is specifically for Azure setup. It is a setup for uh, Azure. So you don't need to enter AZ to start a command, but you can if you want to or are used to it. Okay, and try the upgrade or version command again, but this time without AZ in front. So this is what I was talking about. We are not giving AZ, we are not giving AZ before the particular word, just like version and upgrade. Okay, so the commands should have worked the same as before and given you the same result. Use the exit command to leave interactive mode. So exit command is used to exit or come out of this interactive mode. And make a note, guys. Now let's see, we'll see task 4, use the Azure portal. So you will also have the option of using the Azure portal during sandbox exercises. You need to use the link provided in the exercise to access the Azure portal. So Azure portal accessing is not a big problem. You can go to Google and just give Azure portal login and it will take you to there. And guys, using the provided link instead of the opening portal yourself ensures the correct description is used, subscription is used, and the exercise remains free for you to complete. So it is just a creation of correct account. It is telling you if you open correct URL or link, then you will have the subscription of the correct account what you want to access. So sign in to the Azure portal to check out the Azure web interface. Once in the portal, you can see all the services Azure has to offer as well as look around the resources group and so on. So guys, Azure creating Azure portal is very simple. I have already spoken about multiple times, and even you can do Google or YouTube, and then you can practice and learn a lot. So here I am done with this video, and this is what you have to do. What I had to do I have done. Your part is to just subscribe, comment, share and like. I will meet you in next video with the next topic of the same series, and I hope this was informative. I'll meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye.